It is the first time in 30 years that we're having this event outside Quezon City. So, and it really, we cannot overly emphasize, the importance of SSS also being here in the Visayas and also in Mindanao. So, as Visayas is a very big growth area for SSS, we really made sure that we'll have this event here in Cebu. And again, I'd like to welcome everyone. So I'd like to introduce also members of the Social Security Commission who will give some highlights of key activities, achievements, and future plans of SSS for the remainder of the year. So we'll go with each of the commissioners, and then afterwards I'll summarize it, and then we can open the floor for discussion. So the first one is the latest addition to our Social Security Commission family is none other than Commissioner Roy G. Padiernos. He has extensive experience in the insurance industry for over, sabihin ko na 30 years. No? Baka malata yung age ni Comro.